Welcome back to today's edition of Glory Hair Channel's tutorial. Our tutorial today is mainly on how to do hair patterns. When you learn how to do hair patterns and then you have a great idea about braiding, you become an expert in no time. So I first cut the back part into a straight line and cut that one into 3 main parts. You should cut it evenly so that your braids will be neat and presentable. This video is self-explanatory, but for the sake of attention, I will do a voiceover so that it will guide you on what we are doing. So after you've gotten your 3 stand braid, you cut another straight line from the right part to the left of the ear. Make sure you straighten the line well. And then this one will be cut into 5 parts. These 5 parts is to substitute the lines in the first line. I choose to braid from the middle to make you know what I mean. Now when we part it in the middle, it's substituting a space at where the first line was. After braiding the second line as a beginner, it's good for you to come to the front part. It guides you on how to tail your weave and also how to fill up. So you cut the front part. Approximately it was 10 or 11. So you follow the same trend and do the braiding till you get to the next part of the ear. We cut another row, that's our second row from the front. You follow the curve as the first row. So this one too, you make sure the lines in between are filled by the second row. So the first row guides you with your pattern on the second row, and the second row guides you with your pattern on the third row. That's how patterning is. So the one we are holding will also substitute that space created. In the nutshell, when braiding, the first start or the first row guides the subsequent braid lines. So when you get the first and second part correct, you are good to go. So after braiding the second row, you take the same oval shape and make a pattern of the third row. So after that third row, you also make a next third row from the back. So the third row will, how should I put it, this will come in the middle of the whole hair. So after the first and second row of the back part and then the front part, the next part will be third row of front and then of the back part. I had a helping hand from a colleague worker. I focused on the parting and then the down braids, and then she also focused on finishing of the hair. So at this part, the third row from the back, you can increase the density of the hair, but not of the weave. It should be the same weave. Hope you are following. We are almost finishing the third part from the back. The braid looks very neat. Oh my god. Then we come to the side of the hair, which is the third row from the front, as you can see. as I cut it into 4 main parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one is the one I'm about braiding. Someone could have cut it into 2, but the reason why I cut it into 4 was that the client wanted to sometimes release the hair, and then she wanted it to also last for long, so sometimes she would change the style of the hair. But when you do big braids or you cut the braids big in the middle, that person won't be able to do a preferred style of his or her own choice. Wow, finally done with our patterns. So you know the advantages of such patterns. You're able to style it in many ways, and the strands on the hair are in total 47, so it isn't that heavy, and it's also not that lesser. This type of hair can be done for ladies and even for a bit grown-ups from 40s. They also enjoy this style because it's not that heavy on them. So we do the finishing tactics of the hair, then I apply shea butter at the tip of the hair, and then we board the tip so that it will be very soft and then easy to style. You should be very careful at this stage because you are dealing with hot water. There will be a main video on how to braid the root of hair, how to do box braid, how to finish or do the finishing tactics of hair, so you don't worry. Today's video was mainly concentrated on the patterns of hair. This pattern can be used for twist, either Senegal twist or Afro twist, so any pattern is pattern. The advantages of such pattern is that you are able to style it in different ways, and it's neat. Can't you see it's presentable? Wow. It's simple, neat, and easy to do. And viewers, this is my lovely mom. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Thank you.